Hey guys, John with the ProCut here, and we're gonna go take a tour of Miss ProCut She Shed. Come on, let's go see what she's up to. Hey Kristin, what are you doing?
What's the password?
Password is She Shed Tour.
You know, no boys are allowed in here.
Oh, except for
the dog.
Donovan. Except for Donovan.
He's the only boy allowed.
No shoes allowed either. So some of you may not know, we live in a 300 square foot tiny house that I built. My wife is not super on board with it, and so she decided that she needed this she shed. So she had somewhere that she could get away from me and the dog when he's being rambunctious. So I built this.
Never the dog.
So I
Just
built
you.
this 10 by 16 she shed just for her, and it's got all hand built cabinetry and shelving, and I built all that as well. Everything from scratch by hand, exactly the way she wanted it. Because if Miss ProCut ain't happy, you could bet your bottom dollar I'm not going to be happy, and she'll make sure of it. And so we've got a bunch of cabinets and counter space in here so she can do whatever she wants to do. And we just made this paper roll holder last week. So she's got a big roll of craft paper to do all sorts of stuff with. Shaker style cabinet doors. And Kristin will open those now so you can see inside.
There's nothing crafty in here. It's like overflow from the house.
We just have some food items, candles, you know, life stuff. Stuff that you need. These anti-chun noodle bowls are the bomb.
Currently building a bigger house, breaking ground hopefully in March, so none of this overflow will be in there. I'll have more room for crafty stuff.
And the house we're building is a Southern Living design, 4 gables, by L. Mitchell Gin and Associates. We're super excited. It's going to be up on the top of our ridge. And we've got 6 drawers, 2 large and 4 smaller ones. And they pull all the way out. Full pull, easy slides with soft close. Another mandatory part of the she shed was an oversized, comfy chair.
I've actually never sat in this chair. This is the first time.
But she had to have it. That's the key point. And to stay warm on these chilly winter days, got the electric fireplace with the infrared heat.
This is one of my favorite. I love this little fireplace. It puts out a lot of heat. I don't know, what's the square footage again, John, of this place?
I'd have to do the math. It's 160.
Okay, but I think this is up to like 500 or 600.
Tell us what you got over here on your bookshelf, Kristin.
Books I've never read.
A globe to places you've never been.
Yeah, places I've never been.
Books you've never read.
That's from World Market. I love that globe. Globe is from World Market. These were an Etsy find. Love them. Shout out to One Love Candle. They make the best candles on the planet.
One Love, Rockford, Illinois.
ShopOneLove.net.
Stephanie, we love you.
My, of course, Joanna Gaines books, Hobby Lobby picture. Pretty much everything in here came from IKEA, Hobby Lobby, Target, or Kirkland's. John actually made, I love the ladder, blanket ladder that he made that I'm just using for a light. Chairs, of course, IKEA. The desk is IKEA. Love this desk. I don't know if I can figure out how to, it like tilts. I feel like I'll do something wrong and make it fall if I try to do it. Anyway, it like tilts up, so I've never had to tilt it. It has that ability if you want to tilt it, which is pretty cool. And then this chair which goes in there. This was on Amazon. Not the most comfortable chair, but it's really cute. Sometimes that's more important than comfort. The floors. What are the floors, John?
Engineered hardwood, hand-hewn hickory. We got it for a really good deal on closeout pallet at Home Depot. And then, of course, you got the 19-inch iMac so she can get on YouTube and Pinterest and Facebook.
Paint color the entire shed, all of it. I'm lazy. I don't like to do different color trim. I just like it all one color so I don't have to take anything off, and like touch-ups are easy. But it's Alabaster Sherwin-Williams, which I think that's the one, if I'm not mistaken, that Joanna loves. I could be wrong. Comment if that's the one that I'm thinking of that I think that's why I picked it, because I want to do everything she does. Also, the doors are like, front of the doors are my favorite color ever. It's Hazel by Sherwin-Williams. And then the exterior gray is Gauntlet Gray, Sherwin-Williams. I think that's it for paint, those 3 paint colors. Let me know your favorite paint color ever, white or otherwise. I like neutrals personally, so any neutrals, but what's your favorite paint color? Comment. I'd like to know. This was a very important aspect of the she shed. We have to have access to coffee no matter where we are. So I actually got this cart from someone for $10. It was an awful green color. So we just spray painted it this gold paint, and it's on wheels. It's like the perfect size and fits in the corner perfectly. My little coffee maker and coffee and mugs and the sign. What happens in the she shed stays in the she shed. Usually. Unless I need John's help with something.
All right, guys, thanks for coming and checking out the tour of Kristin's she shed, aka Mrs. ProCut. And if you've got any questions about the she shed, or you're interested in having one built for yourself, or just need some help, so you can build one by yourself instead of having someone build it for you, I'd be happy to answer any questions. Leave a video response, show us a tour of your shed or your tiny house, or whatever else you're really proud of. We'd like to see it. So until next time, guys, this is John and Kristin signing out from her she shed. And now I'm not allowed back in. Take it easy.
Bye, guys.